What is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Mivi's latest speakers. So what are you waiting for? Let us start. So this is the Mivi's latest speaker. Let us start unboxing it. We'll just cut it right here. Wow, very nice. So we have a speaker like this. Let us open it. Wow. First thing, they'll give 3 booklets. After that, obviously a speaker and then some wires. So this is the aux cable and this is the USB cable. So let us open the speaker. So this is the speaker. They have put it in a plastic cover. After opening it, this is the speaker. Wow, it is very nice to see. So this is the Mivi's logo. After that, behind it they have given a nice grip surface so that it does not fall. And after that, they have also given a string like stuff so that you can carry like this and go to places. Now let us check the sound quality of this. Okay guys, I have got my phone right here and let us turn on the Bluetooth first. So I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. Done. Now click on more settings, and before that don't even forget to turn on the Mivi speaker. So let us turn on the Mivi speaker like this. Yes.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so now available devices, I'll just refresh it and check. Okay, it's showing all the devices. Yeah, Mivi Play, I've got this one. I click on that. Yeah, it's saying pair with Mivi Play. Yes, I want to pair. Allow your contacts and call history. So I would prefer that. This also has inbuilt microphone. And I click on that option and click on. So it has paired. Now let us go to YouTube and check a song. So I'm just going to play a song, or actually my own video. I'll just play this video right here.
Tell you how you can take screenshot in digital India. It is very
The audio clarity is so good. In this budget, you will never ever get this much sound quality. So if you want to buy this product, this the first link in the description below. So if you click on that, you will land on this product. And let us check the Bluetooth quality, as this is the Bluetooth 5.0. Let us see what is there else in the speaker. There is an aux also. So this is the power button, this is the Bluetooth symbol, play and pause, this is the aux, this is the Bluetooth. So this is a very simple speaker. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell button for more future videos, and don't forget to give this video a like. Bye bye, see you in the next video.